Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mike with FormAWin, here to help you guys get your first engineering job and develop to the top engineering students in the world. Today we have a three-part series here. This is going to be 3 videos covering how to get your first engineering job. Let's get into it. Let's rock. Alright guys, as always, feel free to text me at this number, 305-923-8724. That's my number for you to reach out to me if you need help and you need further development. For now, take notes, grab a pen and piece of paper. Let's rock and roll to the video number 1. Engineering job, how to get a fast engineering job in 2025. We're going to go over a few tips and tricks, apply these, and you'll win. Tip number 1 is going to be to leverage LinkedIn. This is a huge thing that students think that they might do, or you don't leverage LinkedIn. You think you might leverage LinkedIn and then you actually leverage LinkedIn. You need to be doing lots of different tactics and applying different strategies to reach out to people on LinkedIn in order to secure your job, build your brand, and build your network. So many students don't do this, so many engineers don't do this, and then they wonder why in a few years why they're not succeeding, or they're not happy, or they're not achieving the goals or the results or the things that they want, is because they're neglecting this one thing. Now, I also want you to leverage LinkedIn to apply to jobs, right? So this is going to go into search filters, job categories. I need you guys to go through, look at that, and really pinpoint exactly where you want to go. You might already do this, but take notes, actually track the applications you apply for, and then start tracking KPIs to measure what you're applying to, what the results are for the interviews. Maybe you need to adjust your resume, but more so maybe you're not the right fit, so then you can change what you're applying to, and then that way you can get better interviews. But you can only do that by tracking it, which is the KPI. You track it and then you figure out how to get better. Tip number 2 is going to be to build relationships with recruiters. This is a huge one. You need to do this. You need to find a way to do this. This might happen over longevity. This might not happen immediately. This might happen by chance. But the more you open yourself up to those opportunities, and the more that you open yourself up to those chances, the more it's going to happen, right? If you just go with the intention of, okay, I'm going to try, that's not enough. You need to go with the intention of, I'm going to try, I'm going to make this happen every single day for the rest of my life. If you do that, you're going to secure a job, you're going to be happy, and you're going to be able to accomplish all these big dreams and goals that you have for yourself. Tip number 3 is going to be to optimize your resume for ATS. Go look that up, go find different trackers. There's plenty of free AI things to look at your resume and go check it and make sure that it works good. But this is a really key one, because there's some companies that use filters that filter out resumes if they're not up to certain standards, right? So that's going to be 3 tips we just went over. Take notes, apply these. Which one do you need to fix? Which one do you need to fix right now? Go fix it right after this video. Rewatch this video again next week, figure out what you need to fix again. And then lastly, if you found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, share it. Comment down below what you learned, comment what you want to see next, and stay tuned for number 2.